Hello everyone, Spite here once again for a bit of a different type of fix with this. So, this is a PS2, you know, fat-bodied PS2. Sorry, almost dropped my screwdriver. And yeah, we're going to be trying to do a fix here because if you read right there, it says no blue back discs, even though technically it's purple. But that can both be an easy and a not so easy fix. Like it could be like what they always say to do is just like put tape on the disc, like parallel lines on a disc to counteract the balance or whatever. But we're gonna try some different fixes for it. I'm going to attempt to fix it with some of the things I know how to do with this. But looking at this thing has a lot of wear and tear on it, which I've already plugged it in, turned it on, and it actually does work. It just doesn't play the blue back discs. So it has like a whole bunch of stickers on it. That's another thing I want to do is also clean it up too, because while I'm not going to be doing much with it, I'm going to be like modding it. That's pretty much the only thing I really want to do with it. Actually, interesting. Oh, wow, it's cracked too. Jeez. Interestingly enough, if you look right here, someone already opened it up technically, because this is where the warranty sticker is. So, here's hoping we can fix it. And what you want to do is, to begin with, you have all these feet on the very bottom you want to take out. They're a bit of a toughie to get. Use your nails, pop them out. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8. Only 8, okay. Also, this is a model 5001. So we're just going to take all these out, and we'll get to actually taking it apart. So some of these are hard to get off, like the soft body ones are easy to get out, but there's a couple, like these ones are like hard bodied ones, so I just use having a small flathead screwdriver to pry it up. But pretty simple to take apart. You only have 1, 2, 3, 4, like I said, 8 standard Phillips head screwdrivers. And you just twist, lefty loosey again, and these are really long, by the way. Bam. So we're gonna do this all the way around, and we're gonna pop it off and see how dirty it is in here. The other thing I like about Sony consoles is that they generally use just standard equipment to get off and everything, or to put it together. Except for the PSP. When I do get to the part when I'm actually going to repair my PSP for you all, I need to get a tri-wing screwdriver. Oh, so these ones are smaller. I'm going to assume both sides are smaller. I'm also kind of scared to see if this thing is actually what person did to it when they opened it up, like if they are attempting to fix it or not. Because this is kind of like I said, this console is really beat up. And I'm kind of worried. Like it runs, like I'm not too worried since I do already have a PS2 Slim that I can still play all my games on. But like I said, I kind of want this one just to mod it and have fun with it like that. Because modding's fun. Ooh, okay, so that one's special. It's the silver one. Alright, I'm going to hold it tight, turn it over. We're just going to I guess it's still taped slightly. Oh yeah. Maybe, is that a refurbished sticker? I think it's a refurbished sticker. That's what it is. Should have taken this off beforehand. I thought it was actually just already cut. I don't have a knife near me. It's for my own. It's for my own collection, so I'm not too worried about that. There we go. I should just slide right off. Yeah, ugh, man, that is dirty in there. Going to set you off to the side to clean And, ugh. This thing is filthy. Canned air. I'm gonna blow some of this stuff off really quick. Okay, so the next part we're gonna take off is this part right here. It protects the laser and the disc when it's booting up and everything. And this should only have a couple of screws, which looks like it's right here and right here. Yeah, this thing is so dirty. It upsets me slightly. I don't know if I can actually get with this screwdriver. I can't. All right. Trusty dusty toolkit. Ooh, come on. There you go. So, I'm not seeing any damage that they've done to it. So, here's hoping that this thing is proper, or still like clean and everything. All right. This should just pop right off. I don't think I'm... Oh, okay. It's just these tabs that were stuck. Oop. Well. It wouldn't be a me video if I didn't break something. Eh. It was only a slight thing, so it's okay. Only thing it broke was the thing that holds on right here. So this is the innards of this. And there's the laser, you don't want to touch that. Yeah, this thing is a bit dirty. Blow some stuff out again. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to plug it in and open this up, because I don't think I can press it and release it. No. So we're going to plug in the power just to open this up, so that way we can see the innards to where this is. So let me get the power cord, and yeah. Okay. Power is plugged in. Just turn that on. It should be power lights on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this over it, just so when we turn it on, we eject the disc. The laser won't show up or anything. Turn that off really quick. Okay. Oh, so it's one of these. All right. I was hoping it would be the easy one where I could just simply fix it by manually adjusting it. But unfortunately, it's not one of those. Just unplug you now. Come on. Oh, that's okay. Most we can do is at least clean it up while we're in here. We're gonna give everything a nice, good clean. So we're going to take some IPA, good old-fashioned rubbing alcohol, and clean the laser a little bit. And we're going to clean a lot more stuff with it, though. But the main thing is we're going to clean the laser first, because that's the thing that could be dirty. Like, it probably just needs to be adjusted slightly. Which, to do that, it'd be down there, dang it. Yeah, that does kind of suck. So, interestingly enough, it is reading a blue-backed disc. But the thing is, when I adjusted it and everything, it didn't actually do anything. Like, it just reset. Like, can't really show you easily because this thing does not want to come off at all. But interestingly, like I said, I didn't actually do anything to this, which, because it reset. But what I did do, I could clean the laser and everything, and I will actually bring you over to the PC right quickly. And on the computer, or on the actual thing, I went to just so you see what I'm doing. Version, triangle, went down to options, and for some reason that changed. I had this set to fast. But I don't know. We'll close it again. Go to browser. And also another thing, like, oh, now there you go. There, see, it popped up. But like, let's take the mic off me. Like, you hear that? It wasn't doing that before. Like, it wasn't reading it. Like, I can click it and be like, oh yeah, it's gonna read. But like, it wasn't doing that before. It would do like a ch-ch-ch sound. So I have inadvertently fixed this because I do not know how I did it. But as you see, it loads up. In all honesty, it probably was just because it was really dirty on the inside. And yeah, there it goes. Still takes a while to actually load up, but it does work. Like originally, I did think that I fixed it by doing the version thing and like making it go faster. But no, it just works just straight up. So maybe it was because like it was really dirty in there, and I did clean it up pretty dang well. I took a little microfiber sheet or cloth and cleaned up other things. So yeah, it works. Not bad for a $15 save. I mean, obviously I still have to clean up everything else and whatnot. Yeah, just... I shouldn't have done that. I should have ejected it. Turn that off. So I can finish working it. So I can put it back together. So yeah, it works. Of course, now the next part of everything is cleaning up off all the stickers, but that's easy stuff. Something I'm not too worried about. I don't really need to show on camera. I'll just be like using the Goo Gone and everything. Use the Goo Gone and all that fun stuff. So let's just put it back together for right now. If you recall, I dropped my little screwdriver. That's the wrong one anyway. And there goes that. I fumble quite a bit when it comes to things, and I drop screws. But if you remember, 2 little black screws went right here. Like boom, boom. Now that I think about it, maybe this thing was too tight down. That was causing problems. I don't know. I'm gonna try with like a few of the other blue-backed discs that I do have. I only have one more really to test it out with. Okay, so that's back in place. Still loose too, but it won't be as loose when I put this thing back on there after I clean it up a little bit, get some of the dust out of there, get some of the other stuff on. But yeah, I'm going to go do that. Then we'll come back to the actual finishing it up and closing it up again. Alright, so I had, like I said, I cleaned this off, got rid of all the gunk inside of it, cleaned up that part, and basically just like do my usual thing when you're washing or cleaning console parts. You just wash it with soap and water and let it dry. Also, while I was waiting for this to dry, I decided to test this as well. Again, make sure that the actual console still works with the discs, with the blue discs, and it does. So I still think that maybe it was because it was dirty in there, but also because this is on just a little bit too tight. I'm not entirely sure just yet. But to put this on, you go for the front first, and you just pop it on there. I sound like a lot worse than it was. Yep, lined up. I still have to get these stickers off the bottom, but I'll do that eventually. Or do that later on. So, remember, this screws over here. Go right in there. Just screw back in. And make sure it gets in there nice and tight. And you remember, those little ones go only on this side, and there's 3 of them all together. And then the long ones go here, 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 and here. So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna pop all the just gonna finish screwing them all in. Gonna pop all the feet stuff back in, which the soft ones, which are that one, the ones that have like the soft parts, they go here, 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 and here. The hardback ones go here, 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 here. So yeah. As I said, I'm going to chalk it up to a win, even though it was a surprise fix. As in, I'm really surprised that I randomly got it to work when my original thought of adjusting it was not the correct way to do it. So there is that. It's nice having it work. And like I said, I only have this console for modding purposes. I want to do the hard drive mod type stuff, homebrew stuff on it. And let me know if you guys want me to make a video on that whenever I do get a chance to actually do that, since I still have to get all the parts together for it. If you guys want to see that happen, let me know. If not, that's all right. I probably won't do any videos of it. But yeah, like I said, we're just going to finish putting this together, and we're going to, that's basically it. Thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like button and subscribe. If not, that's okay. I still enjoy making random videos for you. But if you wish, let me know what else you want to see me make up or fix up. Like I said, I do have a lot more consoles, or I have a couple more consoles I can clean up. I have a couple controllers I can take apart. Just let me know what you guys want to see. But I'm just going to finish this up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!